George's Loader Hire is one of the largest contributors for maintenance to Queensland Rail, and we also supply major companies such as Visy Recycling. Central to why George's Loader Hire is spearheading the industry is our specialisation of rail attachments and machine systems, together with superior service, which creates a more functional, safe and productive working environment.
My name is Kelly Cook and I'm a Joint Managing Director of George's Loader Hire. My father George purchased a couple of loaders 25 years ago and worked hard to build relationships with companies like Queensland Rail and Visy Recycling. My brother Cameron and I took over when Dad passed away in 2009, and here we are today, having expanded and diversified, and now one of the largest suppliers to Queensland Rail for rail maintenance.
Our operators are qualified and highly skilled in both rail and civil applications. They are expertly trained to complete resleeping, tamping, drainage, formwork, trenching and all aspects of loader operation. Effective maintenance of all equipment is an integral part of our safety culture at George's Loader Hire. We employ diesel fitters that are mobile and can perform on-site servicing and maintenance when required. Our fitters have a wealth of knowledge on servicing, maintenance, fault finding, repairs and modifications to heavy machinery. To further assist our customers to keep their operations running smoothly, we offer a mobile earth-moving tyre fitting service. Services include on-site tyre fitting, on-site repairs, access to major repair facilities, fully equipped in all essential and current certifications. We understand how vital it is that our customers' machinery and equipment is delivered on time, and we achieve this consistently by running our own floats. George's Loader Hire can proudly claim to have played a major part in every rail construction project in Queensland in the last 10 years. George's Loader Hire provide an extensive range of plant equipment available for hire by the rail industries and civil sector. All of these excavators can be deployed with tools and attachments for rail resleepering, re-railing, drainage, undercutting, brooming, or for general civil works. GLH's commitment to the rail and civil industry will continue as we look to the future, leading the way through innovation in specialised rail attachments and machine systems to provide a more productive, functional and safe environment. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about George's Loader Hire. We look forward to working with you.